In this video, I would like to cover artificial intelligence. If anything, there are opportunities within UK available for different businesses who are looking to secure funding to explore this opportunity. This opportunity can offer a lot of value to different businesses. But at least ones that I was looking at, they're not necessarily interested in offering 100% of funding. So, but there are opportunities available, if anything. So you need to source some of the finance, not necessarily from one source. So it would be more complex and time consuming as well. But either way, it can take time. It can take time. So much time can be wasted. But either way, let's cover this opportunity. What AI is and potential benefits that can offer to different business. Artificial intelligence (AI) refers to the development of computer systems and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So, what is an issue here? So, issue is that sometimes, or if not every time, software or computer technology and different computer systems computer systems or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, right? Let's roll with that. Let's roll with that. It's been ongoing, so these tasks may include problem solving, decision making, learning from experience, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and more. And we're looking to implement different systems that AI would be able to some extent is perhaps it's already been done, but they're looking to improve so AI could understand a lot better images and what's been shown. So different perhaps things that AI would be able to scan, see, would be able to take in that information and process. So some of the ways or for your business if it's something that you're interested in, there are a lot of opportunities out there. AI is a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of computer science, mathematics, psychology. What psychology has to do with anything. But either way. So again, we're trying to offer perhaps a companion. So I have seen some people talking with computer. I don't know. Neuroscience and engineering. AI systems are designed to mimic human cognitive functions. So not necessarily limited to that. Some of the projects out there looking to give personalities to AI systems, right? So we're looking to offer something unique. So perhaps there are a number of projects out there on the market, right? So every project looks to offer something different. Some of those projects, I don't know, I'm interested in that. So if anything, some person would give characteristics of human behavior as well as giving it more character. So it could AI systems can answer particular questions with a particular point of view. Perhaps similar to what I'm doing right now, and I'm trying to bring all the people who are watching this channel, perhaps understanding more to business, finance, and sustainability, all those areas, engineering. So it's something that my point of view is perhaps something very similar. Some of those AI projects looking to solve for large groups of people. Either way, AI systems are designed to mimic human behavior functions as they can be classified into two main categories: narrow or weak. AI. Narrow AI refers to AI systems that are designed to perform specific tasks or solve particular problems. These systems are limited to scope and do not possess general intelligence. Examples include voice assistants like some of the top projects out there, technology companies without promoting those, recommendation algorithms or streaming platforms, and image recognition software. So there's a lot of work in some of those industries where that AI system is looking to perhaps solve you particular problem for that audience, not necessarily of a search engine where you can ask anything and they can give you an answer, right? It would be particular products or services, and they would be able to answer you any customer service problem. General or strong AI? I wouldn't classify it like that. But I don't know, so I wouldn't classify it weak or strong. It's not the way how I would put it. It would be perhaps with purpose. That's how I put it. Weak, that would be purpose to solve the problem. General would be two people talking about general things, most of the time nonsensical. So strong, nonsensical, with no purpose, right? Most of the time, it could be classified even this way. Well, either way, general or strong AI. General AI refers to AI systems that have the ability to understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can. So potentially even better than human, perhaps would be, or help people to perform tasks even better. These systems will process general intelligence and could adapt to a wide range of tasks without being specifically programmed for each one. General AI is a theoretical concept and has not yet been fully realized. So there's still a lot of finance, grants, different projects. There's a lot of opportunities out there within the market. Let's take a look at AI technologies and techniques used to build AI systems that can include machine learning, a subject of AI that involves training algorithms to recognize patterns and make predictions based on data. So perhaps yourself, how much access to what data you might be able to have, and how you can train those. Worth taking a look at some of those areas, perhaps for people who are interested in more detail. It includes techniques like supervision learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. So three different areas. How you can train the data sets, hypothesis, as well as having access to what kind of hardware and what kind of data you might be able to collect, as well as how you would like to process that data. Deep learning is subfield of machine learning that uses artificial and neural networks is process of understanding data, especially tasks like image and speech recognition. Some of those areas, natural language processing, the branch of AI that focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. I have looked at different projects out there; they are getting better. Not necessarily they are perfect, but some of those projects out there are getting a lot better over time. It is crucial for applications like chatbots, language translations, and sentiment analyst. Computer vision AI systems that can interpret, understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos, as well as I think they using that already in some fields, but not necessarily is perfect. So there is definitely room for improvement, as well as robotics. The integration of AI into robotic systems enable them to perceive their environment, making decisions and perform tasks autonomously. As well as there's a lot of opportunities within this particular field. For people out there who are interested in learning more, I have published a book. In this book, I'm sharing a lot of information with people who are interested in learning more. In this book, I'm sharing in particularly how to start your livestock enterprise, and I'm focusing a lot on how to achieve your first milestone. That would be financial goal that you might be interested in setting for yourself. That would be from zero to your first 10,000 euros, dollars, pounds, and how to achieve that. I have put so much focus on this particular area, where to begin or where to start, what information you need to have, and I was trying my best to put all that in 100 pages, right? So I had a set of my goal for myself. But in order for you to succeed, I have expanded into just over 130 pages, right? So it would be enough information for people out there. You can find this book in the description below, as well as top retailers has it. AI has a wide range of practical applications, including healthcare, diagnosis and treatment recommendations, perhaps, or if anything, perhaps monitoring and advising professional how to do it. That could potentially reduce current costs and Medicare, especially some of the governments up there, and how much it can cost for different governments, right? At top G20, right, countries, right? How much it can cost. So perhaps overseen by professional, but a lot of monitoring can be done by some of those software solutions up there. Finance, fraud detection and algorithm and trading, perhaps. Other note, I had, as I perhaps mentioned that before, there are a lot of people who are trading using different algorithms. Well, I don't know. A lot of people offering me to purchase any of that. I'm not interested in that. Do not offer. I'm not interested to buy any of that solutions. If it works for people, I don't know if it's safe, if we can do that, but I don't know. Keep on doing what you're doing, I guess. Transportation, self-driving cars. I see a lot of benefits there that can help a lot of people, as well as perhaps having some of those similar solutions, how they can help every day easier, right? They can save a lot of time for large populations, as well as perhaps so what person needs, right? So all the needs been taken care of without being things delivered to the people, as well as if it needed, person can be taken from point A to point B. There's a lot of value in there. Understand these kind of things. If anything, feel free to reach out to me if any company is there doing something with that area. It also has implementations for ethical and societal concerns, such as job displacement. If anything, let's raise more awareness of progression and how things are moving, right? So perhaps new industries will start and old ones we're gonna have to say goodbye to some of those industries, I guess, right? As well as we had said goodbye to, I don't know, some of those industries, how we work in fields, right? So some people out there still work in fields with their hands instead of using machines, right? So things are changing. AI continues to advance rapidly, and research and engineering engineers are working in pursue the boundaries of what AI systems can do, as well as there's a finance. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, there's a lot of finance in this area. Some of those projects right now they're not necessarily offering fully support, so they might offer some percentage support of entire budget that will be required of completing those projects. So you might need to source from different organizations, perhaps reaching out to those organizations with your way of solving a problem for a number of organizations. This is what perhaps they're looking to do right now. But there are a lot of opportunities out there for any projects who are interested or people who are interested, and yeah, there's always opportunities there. If anything, I would like to highlight more opportunities available out there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.